We've got some exciting new things going on at Crow Leadership Academy. Construction has started on the 2019 bond project. The project will go throughout the duration of the school year and is expected to be completed in August of 2021. This project includes a new building addition with 9 classrooms for our pre-K and kinder students, plus ADA improvements and new facilities for our students in the special education program. The bond project also includes a new gym with a full basketball court that will support our pre-K through 6th graders to develop an active and healthy lifestyle. Additional parking will be added to ensure there's plenty of space for staff and visitors. A paved driveway will wrap all the way around the school for easy arrival and dismissal. We'll have 2 new playgrounds for our older and younger students. Both will be ADA accessible and have a canopy cover. Our kitchen will be renovated so that we have 2 food lines and a larger cafeteria space. We are excited about all that's happening at Crow Leadership Academy and look forward to how these changes will shape our future. We believe that our students can make a positive impact through meaningful action. This bond gives us a physical space and environment to take that vision forward. For over 60 years, Crow has been at the heart of our community. This year, many things have changed, but one thing remains the same. You are welcome.